What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Robert. I'm a 23-year-old entrepreneur, rental arbitrage host, now real estate investor. I'm coming here to share with you 5 reasons why you need your own direct booking website. So in this video, I'm going to go over the 5 main points why you should have a website that is your own in the Airbnb space, in the short-term rental space moving forward, 2021 and beyond. And if you like this video, then be sure to smash the like button below, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, to get into this video, one of the most important reasons why you should have your own direct booking website is to say goodbye to the Airbnb service fee that deters a lot of clients and a lot of potential customers when you have off-platform clients trying to book your space. So let's say you have family and friends, or you have a 3-month travel nurse from Furnish Finder trying to book. That service fee really impacts their willingness to make a reservation when it is $300 or more, $400, and they're looking at it, they're like, why am I paying this huge service fee? What I'm going to talk about today is a software startup out of San Francisco. They're called Kopa, and they provide you the tools and the technology to build your own direct booking website, completely brand it to your liking, and have full control over the cancellation policies, the rates, the reservations, etc. And it's really cool because this is, in a sense, identical to what Airbnb allows you to do, but it's your own website. So various reasons why this is very important and very key to your business moving forward. The first reason that you should have a direct booking website is you can brand your listings. So if you guys are hosting on Airbnb and you have 10 properties, you have 5 properties, whatever it may be, you are now able to collectively put all of those properties on your own landing page, and customers can book directly through that site. This is a very cool technological approach to your business, and you're not relying strictly on Airbnb or other marketing channels to book clients. So most of you know, every host who has been through 2020 knows that there are a lot of reasons why Airbnb has too much power and too much control over your money and over the risk and your business as a whole. There's various instances where Airbnb profiles have been completely banned, breaking terms of service, etc. There's various things that hosts have done and I've seen that get them wiped off of the platform. So let's say you have 10 apartments, you're paying 10 grand a month in rent, you have all your expenses, and suddenly you're not able to book any clients through Airbnb for whatever reason. This is a huge setback for you. And having your own website, it's sort of a hedge and a counter that would protect you in the case that you got completely wiped off. So branding your listings, having it all together there, it's very important. So the second reason you should have your own direct booking website is you eliminate that service fee that these platforms charge. Booking.com charges you a fat service fee. Vrbo charges you a fat service fee. All of these companies charge your clients and your customers a huge service fee, and this is a deterrent for people trying to book 3-month-long reservations. They're like, okay, you guys negotiate on the price, you guys come and meet in the middle, and then they go to check out, they go to book the reservation, and they don't want to because the service fee is $400, that type of thing. So having your own direct booking website is very important and very crucial. If you want to increase your occupancy rates and you want to increase your margins, this is a great resource and a great tool to have. The third reason is you have a lot more control over your listings. You can set certain policies in place and you make them very straightforward, very upfront. They can't try and go around your back like many people do with Airbnb. If you're not refunding them, they'll try to circumvent you, go to Airbnb, call them and complain and cause a huge problem, and it makes things very complicated to try to get their money back. So if you have your own website, you have more control over those cancellations and who you're allowing in your space. So that right there is a very important thing to consider, especially if you're building a portfolio and you want to brand yourself and have somewhere where your customers can book directly. The fourth reason why you should have your own direct booking website kind of ties back to number 1, and you're able to brand yourself and present your portfolio to apartment complexes when you are trying to pitch them. Now, when I started, I had no idea what I was doing. I was just going around throwing the word Airbnb left and right. I was throwing it out. People would slam the door on me. They'd say, get out of my face. So I had to find a way around that. And clearly at this point, it's no secret that the corporate housing approach is the method of closing these deals. So when you're approaching professional corporations and you come off and you seem, like you want to do business with them, pulling this up and showing them this portfolio of properties or sending them this link through an email or something, it really solidifies your position and it establishes you as a professional entrepreneur, someone wanting to do business with them. And this right here is going to help your conversion with apartments. When you're looking to pick up 5 leases at a time, when you're looking to pick up anything related to help grow your business, this will help you close on deals more than anything really. I'd say the conversion of actually establishing your position and acquiring more units is exponential once you have something like this in place. So most of the big operators in the space have their own website that you can go book directly to. Saunders, one of them. Stay Alfred was one of them. They're no longer in the picture. Front Desk, Costa. There's a few of these corporations, and they have invested a lot of money into their own technology that people can go book directly. Someone like you or someone like me, we're not quite there yet. We don't have 10 million in funding quite yet. That brings me to the 5th reason you should have your own direct booking website, and that is because you are no longer dependent on Airbnb for all of your entirety of your income. Now, I'll explain that right here. I'll show you my dashboard here on Kopa. You can see that I have 52 published listings, and we've generated a total of 19,000 and some change through Kopa, through our own direct booking website. This right here is very, very cool, and that's $20,000 that was generated off of Airbnb. So, in the bigger picture, you're obviously going to fill up 80% of your calendar with Airbnb reservations. Adding this in the mix only increases your exposure. It only increases the amount of money that you can potentially make. And when you have a large debt obligation like all these rent rolls, this is something that you would definitely find value in. That really ties most of this up. I will leave a link down below where you can sign up for your own direct booking website. This has been a massive step forward for me, and I think you guys would equally enjoy it. I will be making more videos if you like, kind of walking you through the process. The onboarding process is super straightforward. You import your listings directly from Airbnb with a click of a button. It's very streamlined. With that being said, I hope these 5 points stood out to you and helps you make a decision on whether or not this is for you. So they do charge you per listing on their software, but it's very worth the money and the investment that you'll make. With that being said, I will give you a little update on my situation. A lot of you may be wondering where I'm at, why I haven't been uploading videos for the past 5 months. That is because I've been on the road acquiring units since September 2020. So overall, the past few months have been explosive for me and my path and my process and what I'm doing. Currently at 57 rental arbitrage units. I purchased a 3-unit apartment. It's a multifamily that I'm currently using, and things are going well. I'm grateful to be in this position, and I will be updating you guys soon on more of the development, more of the growth that you see. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Airbnb and short-term rental related content. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I will see you in the next video.